Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system settings. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got date, time and time zone options which are currently inactive. It is because we've got the time and time zone set automatically and they are nowhere provided. So let's turn off both of those options, and as you can see right now, just by swiping we can change the date and the time. As you can see, it will immediately be changed also on the status bar. Now we can change the time zone also. After tapping on it, we will be transferred to the full list of all available ones. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick this one, and as you can see it will be immediately applied, and be aware that the time will also change according to it, at least it should. So here you can also decide what kind of clock format you want to use. So currently we are using 24-hour format. After tapping on the switcher we can use 12-hour format, so of course it's up to you. What's more, we've got the dual clock here, which means that after activating this option your device will display two different clocks for two different places in the world. So it's of course again up to you. So basically this is the whole customization. If you want to get back to previous settings, so for example use automatic date, time and time zone, just tap on both of those switchers. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time in your Realme 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.